Good morning. Is it? Is it a good morning? It's rainy. I still have to get breakfast at some point. I don't know what I'm gonna get, probably on my way there. Maybe I'll go, Maybe I'll go to the drive-thru, but then again, it's probably what a lot of people do, and it's really backed up, so maybe I'll go in. Oh, I don't know, I'm hungry. Hope everyone's having a great Monday. I'm so tired. I'm so glad it's the end of the workday and I'm going home. Though today did go by really fast, or faster than it usually does. So I think. I don't know. It could be because I'm just so dazed right now of tiredness. I'm so tired. Ooh, bumps. And look, it's this lovely cemetery again. Oh, look at it, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. I rode my bikes in there and walked in there a few times. And it's actually really nice. That's like, I like this cemetery. And then we got a speed bump, or speed hump, excuse me. Whee! Oh, they're so fun. It's like a roller coaster. You go up and down, and this person really wants to go fast behind me. They always want to rush.
I don't know. So there would be no actual democracy. We the Kings is somewhat of a democracy. There's a discussion with decisions.
I don't know.
Most of the time.
You would probably.
There you go, you hound dog. Hi. Hi. Okay, I'm blinking. Just want to say, I hope everyone had a great day. Keep staying positive. Thanks for watching, and have a good night.
I'm busy.
We'll see you tomorrow.
There you go.
Look at this ugly carpet. Ooh.